Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So in this video I will be showing you guys a very new and cool update for my plugins that starting from now they will be able to run each other and to get keywords for queries from each other. So I know that this sounds a bit hard to understand, but let me explain this. So for example, I can create here in Newsematic a rule that imports news about Trump, and in the news titles you will have Trump visited Pennsylvania today, for example. This is just a random example, and the title can be imported to YouTube-O-Matic, and YouTube-O-Matic will search automatically based on the title that Newsematic imported. So here in the YouTube query search, YouTube-O-Matic will search for Trump visited Pennsylvania today, or I'm not sure when. Okay, so I hope I managed to make myself understood, and the basic idea behind this is that one plugin can use another plugin to get keywords and also to get similar content. So this is in the idea to get similar content to what Newsematic just got. So let me show you this in action, because this is a bit complicated to understand just like this. So let me import from business category here in Newsematic only one post, and here let me write Trump, and we will be interested only in the generated post content. So the plugin uses the post content as the keyword source for other plugins. So you need to edit the post content. So here I just wrote that the content should contain only the title of the article that is imported. Also, I don't want to automatically activate this rule, because I will not be generating posts from this rule. This rule in Newsematic will be used only to get the keywords for YouTube-O-Matic. And now we can go to YouTube-O-Matic, but before we go, one thing we should hover here on the question mark and copy this part from the rule. This will be a unique string that identifies each separate rule from Newsematic. For example, and if we create another rule, we will see that it will have a different identifier here. So let's copy the identifier of this rule and go to YouTube-O-Matic here, and in the keyword search query field we can simply input the identifier of this rule that we copied, and when YouTube-O-Matic will run, so let's save the settings here. So when YouTube-O-Matic will run, it will call Newsematic's rule, so this rule in Newsematic, and this will be executed, and Newsematic will get a title for the keyword we set Trump, and it will send it to YouTube-O-Matic, and YouTube-O-Matic will search YouTube for the query string that it got from Newsematic. So this is very interesting in my opinion, and it has immense potential. So now we can go ahead and run importing here. So let's run this rule now, and now what is happening is that YouTube-O-Matic is calling Newsematic, Newsematic returns query strings, and YouTube-O-Matic searches YouTube based on these query strings. So if we have advanced logging enabled in our main settings, we can go to activity and logging here in YouTube-O-Matic, and YouTube-O-Matic will tell us that searching by keywords Bloomberg new economy, Trump's China app threats may hurt US, and the generated article is here. So it is somehow relatively similar to what we search for. Okay, so Let me know what you think about this new update that will be rolling out for all my plugins. And this is all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more similar updates, news, and more important stuff that I will be rolling up. So I will be hitting with new news and other stuff here on my channel. So yeah, thank you for watching until the end, and as always, stay safe, have a nice day, bye bye.